Hi, it's Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. Today with a gorgeous early result 6 weeks after my Bikini Body Lift. This is a really pretty 44-year-old mom who was frustrated because she had cellulite and dimpling and skin laxity of her buttocks. She lives in an area where she likes to wear a bikini, has kids, she'd like to go to the pool and feel great about her body, but couldn't find any solutions. Also, she had a previous tummy tuck and the scar position was not good. The scar actual appearance was not good. We'll see that in just a minute. But she wanted a solution that could fix all of that. So we did a 360-degree bikini body lift, and let me show you the details of what makes this case so beautiful and special. Okay, I'm so pleased with the curves here. Notice that there is no more cellulite or dimpling. There's no more skin laxity back here. Go ahead and shake your bottom a little bit for us. No jiggling, no problems back here. She's super proud of it. In fact, she said that she's going bikini shopping right after she leaves our office here. Now, and you see, notice the projection here. Okay, I didn't remove her curves when I lifted everything up. It's almost like her pants were down around her mid-thighs, and I lifted them up and I doubled up the fat here, so she's got really gorgeous curves, super smooth skin on the sides, and a very fine line scar. I mean, let's see, here it is, just, 6 weeks out. That's barely anything. I mean, it's this underwear imprint here is almost as obvious as a scar. Check out this abdomen. Now, I'd love to show you the before and after pictures where she used to have this high, ridiculous scar way up here, and it was thick and jagged and ugly, and she did not like it, but that was the way that the other surgeon performed her procedure. Her abs are just ripped here. You can see the six-pack, the external obliques. And I'd also call your attention to the anterior thighs here. We're not going to show you her mons pubis and labia majora, but all of that was tightened as well. But in this case, what I really want to emphasize is just how darn good she looks. Like many of these, it was a revision case where she had already had extensive work that was suboptimal. So she did a lot of research, and I know it was frustrating to her that she consulted with a lot of her local experts in a state that was not California. And nobody thought there was a solution for her problems. I'm so happy she found us. And I'm so happy I got to do this operation for you. I'm very proud of this result, and I know it's going to be a lot of fun for her to put on that bikini in a few minutes after she leaves this office.